Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view all of the available skill moves and how to perform them in FC25. To view skill moves, click on Settings in top left corner, then Settings, Skill Moves, and here, by clicking on W or E, you can move between 1-star moves, 2-star moves, all the way up to 5-star moves and juggling tricks by pressing on W and E. And in these categories, you can see the button required to perform an action and the name of the action. And click on Escape to exit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.